Available definition. Available in a sentence, available pronunciation, available meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of available. Available. A-vail-a-ble. Available. Available as an adjective means able to be used or ready to be met with. Common usages in academic writing: to be made available, only available at certain times, to be available after. Example sentence: available, adjective. Because nurses have busy schedules, they are only available at certain times. The common academic writing variations are unavailable, adjective. Due to the crisis at the border, the government official was unavailable for an interview. And availability, noun. The availability heuristic often causes individuals to fear travel by planes, even though it is far safer than travel by car. Please write a sentence using available in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use available confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.